Now let's understand that how this problem is going to translate in machine learning world. So since my output is going to be either 0 or 1, because here we are saying that whether it's a duplicate question or a not duplicate question. So it is definitely a binary classification problem. We have also seen before that from the Kaggle competition that we are looking for a minimum log loss problem. So that's the reason the evaluation metric is going to be a log loss here. And we are also going to look at binary confusion matrix because that's what we normally understand more easily. So that's what we have added extra. Now there are few things to keep in mind while solving this particular problem. If there is any error, imagine that there is a question which is not duplicate and Cura thought it's a duplicate one. Then that error is going to be very costly for Cura, because in that case people will have mistrust on Cura. They might be expecting some answer, but they are getting a wrong answers now, right? So they will kind of lose their interest from Cura and people can move away. So the errors are going to be very costly for them. So since the error is very costly, maybe it will be a good idea if we talk in terms of probability. Means maybe I want to create something like probabilistic part, like probability that question 1 and question 2 are going to be similar only and only if the probability of their similarity is maybe greater than or equal to 0.99, means 99% or above. If that probability is, then only I'm going to say that these questions are similar. Otherwise it's better to keep them non-similar only. Even if they are similar, let's not touch them up, otherwise it may end up with a lot of other issues. Now, so we can decide that threshold for us. What about time taken? Do you think we need a lot of time to do this, or we have to very quickly return the result? No, means it's okay. We can take some our own sweet time. Definitely, it should not end up taking almost the whole day also. Yeah, but your model is okay to take maybe a few minutes to give you the output, and then you can send a notification that yeah, these are duplicate and we are merging this up. So that's something you can always do. So the latency you can have with your own pace. What about interpretability? Do we need interpretability? May not be that important. From at least for the user point of view, it's not important. When Cura is going to mark any question as duplicate, Cura need not inform that user why I'm marking it as duplicate, right? This may be required for their internal part, but definitely they don't need it to show to the particular user. So these are the things you need to keep in mind while solving this binary classification problem. So let's do it from again the next video lecture.